All right, so we have in the background some heavy metal playing, heavily distorted. Let's see who it is. Lamb of God is in the background playing, and here's my 3D printed violin. All right, so I went without the correct tuners, and I use, as you can tell, a screw for each one, for each 4 strings, some nuts, and a washer for each. So there is the 3D printed violin. There's the neck rest, the bust, the bout, the all that mess. And there you can tell I've got a K&K pickup so you can hear things. And that's about it. There's the 3D printed violin at its best. Hope you don't enjoy the sound as much as I do, but yet still enjoy playing the violin.